Hey everyone. Hopefully y'all can hear me, see me. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Well, so far it says my chat is unable to connect, so someone type in the chat if you can hear what I'm saying. And if you have a chat. Been having some internet issues going in and out past hour or so, so if I get disconnected, we might have to just do this again tomorrow. Welcome in, everybody. We got 9. We're going strong. Rising up. Welcome in, everybody. So it's about 8 o'clock where I'm at. We're on the east coast of the United States. So today we're going to talk about all the altcoins. Hopefully we're getting ready to move back up again. As you can see from the thumbnail, altcoin volcano. Stupid. Still nobody in the chat. Can somebody type in the chat if you can hear me or see me? I don't even know if anybody's watching right now. Like I said, my internet's been up and down all day. I don't know what's going on. If you can hear me or see me, just type in anything, SOS. As soon as I get somebody to respond, I'll definitely get started. Anybody, somebody, type something. Save us. No? Nobody's typing anything. It looks like there's some people in here, but I don't know if you can hit the chat, huh? Unable to connect to chat, it says, so that sucks. It's going to be kind of a short live stream if we can't chat to you. No chat. Nobody's typing in the chat yet, so I assume you guys can't do it or can't see it or anything like that. So if we keep having internet issues, maybe I'll just try this again tomorrow. I would like to get this done, though. I know you guys have been wanting this. I've been gone all day, so I'd like to get you something out today. I've got nobody typing in the chat, so I don't even know if you guys can see me. We got 20 people look like they're joined, but nobody is able to type, so I don't even know if I'm even doing this for anybody or not. We can try it a little bit. We'll see if you guys can hear me and you can't type, whatever. Maybe you guys can hear me and I will just give you a few tidbits of information. If the chat doesn't work, maybe we'll just try it again tomorrow. But all the coins Bitcoin is just off the charts again, going up, as you can see. We just need altcoins to rise if Bitcoin can just slow down here. Hopefully we're at a stable level here. As you can see, a couple candles back in here. Maybe we're at kind of a resistance zone if Bitcoin can just hug in this. As you can see, altcoins, especially Link, is just struggling against Bitcoin right now until it can Bitcoin can stall out and go flat. Then maybe we can get a reverse here. So Link has come right back down to its 21-day again, as you can see, right to it. Trying to get a nice big bounce off of this. It came down to right about $29, which was our 21-day. So in the next few hours, certainly by tomorrow, we want to see this at least holding support. Even if we get a wick here, we'd want to kind of zoom right back up. But we still have, 23 hours until we close this candle. Got 35 people in here now, but still no chats. Let's see if I can fix anything. I don't think I can. Hard to really change the chats after you've started. Yep, I don't know what's going on with the chat. There's no chat available, it says. So that sucks. Unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. Sure, bud. We'll try again later. I don't even know if anybody can hear me, so I'm probably doing this for no reason. But I know I had one of my longtime subscribers request BAL, so here it is. Hopefully we hold the support right in this area. You can see we've held some price action back in this area. If not, then we still have, let's drop this down. We're still at 41.50 or so. Maybe by the time we get down here, be about just about 41. We want to hold this certainly if we drop down. We don't want to see another one of these, obviously, but yeah, this is for BAL on the daily. Let's go to the weekly and check it out. So yeah, we had a retest already way down, right? So this is our we dropped down in one candle, 35%. So we've already had our kind of like a retest. So theoretically, we should be going back up. Now we still have 3 days, 23 hours to close this weekly candle. We certainly do not want to be closing this. This will be a pretty much textbook gravestone doji candle right here. So anything a little bit higher or lower would be great, even if it's red. You don't want a gravestone doji printing on the weekly, that's for sure. So we'll wait to see what this does. But BAL on the weekly, we're at kind of like a stalling out moment here, right? Because we closed here on the weekly, we closed here on the weekly, and currently we're just kind of chilling out right here. So if we can get above 45, let's say 46 to be safe, above $46 and close on this week in the next 3 or 4 days, right? 4 days from now, if we close $45.50, $46, that'll be a very, very nice sign. So we'll keep an eye on this. If we do another live stream, maybe Sunday night, especially if this one's not working. We have people dropping off by the minute. Someone's donating though. If someone has donated money, I appreciate you. You're donating on a blind live stream. So I don't see anything. If you're typing anything, I can't see it. My chat says unavailable, but just know that I do see $7 in the live stream. You're awesome, whoever that blind donor is that I can't see and will never see. So thank you so much. If you have a request, send me a message somewhere else. Let me know it was you. Let me know what coin you want covered. I'll try to make up for it. I don't know what's happening in this live stream. It's the first time it's ever happened. No chat available. Try again later is what it says. I don't even know if anybody can hear me or see me. But apparently someone can see me because they're donating money. So, unless you like me that much and you're just donating to a black screen. It's not unheard of. Let's see what else. Yeah, Bitcoin is kind of an unexpected move, right? Nobody kind of really saw Bitcoin getting back above 55,000 this week. I don't think I did, or anybody else I saw anywhere talking about Bitcoin going back to 56,000 in the next few days. As of last week when we were way down in the low 40s. But until Bitcoin can get above 57, 58, we could still be in a dead cat bounce. If you don't know what that is, dead cat bounces are worse than they even sound. So dead cat bounce would be like on a typical cycle where you would make a big run up, you'd make a big jump down like we have, then you go up, and it's almost like a fake out. Everyone thinks we're going to keep going and make higher highs, and we don't, and we reverse right before the higher high and then make a super lower low, usually back to an even lower level, somewhere around in here. So if that happens, I would expect this to be the retest of the 21 week, which is way down there right now. Just it's still above, almost at 35,000. So it wouldn't be, catastrophic. We're still in a bull run. So this is going to be tested sooner or later. We would hope that we could have held off for another month or so until it was, around 40, even higher. That would have been great, but that could still very well happen. If we continue higher, then we're still good. Now, altcoins will likely struggle and maybe slowly get drug up for the next few weeks or months or whatever until Bitcoin does test this. But as we saw back in here, once Bitcoin made this kind of recession and then held its ground above the 21 week, that's when altcoins really started moving. So with Bitcoin acting the way it is right now, it's kind of regaining strength. So that's why we can't really get a move. Also, the DXY, the US dollar currency index, is going crazy right now. It's back at like 92. We can go look at that in a minute. But until that cools off or goes back down, it's going to be hard for crypto as a whole to continue moving. I can't believe Bitcoin is doing this kind of move with the DXY rising as well. It's pretty unusual. Let's go look at that. Just to look. We already looked at links, so let's go look at DXY. If you can even see me. It's going to suck when I find out that nobody even saw this. All right, index, DXY index. There we go. So this is where we want to get rejected. I drew this line. It's kind of our 200-day moving average. We want to get rejected off that. If we go up, so far we're kind of maybe we're starting to go back down. That would be fantastic. If you go out to the weekly, this is that same level that I just showed you on the daily, right? This is the 200-day moving average line we want to get rejected off of, but it stays the same even if you zoom out to the weekly. You can see we almost came up to it, right? So not quite. But it doesn't have to come all the way up to it. You can see interaction back in here. If we drop this down to where it did hit, let's see what it looks like then. Look at these two back candles back here. So there's a wick to it, a wick to it. There's a close here and a wick to it there. Almost a close up in here. Another wick right around this level. So this will be amazing if the DXY can start going back down, get back under our 21 week. That would be fantastic news. If somehow we can pull another one of these moves or even half of this move, crypto will be in an explosive move, in my opinion. Because what has crypto done since March of 2020? It's when the DXY has been dropping like this, it exploded. Remember when Bitcoin was $8,000 back in, or 3,000? Excuse me, something insane back in here, right? The third week of March, about a year ago. Okay, look at the move we have done when the DXY drops. So if we can do that again, like I've always said before, if we can drop below the 88, our local low down here, 88.1, 88.2, we get back in that and drop lower, then we're in kind of the dollar free fall until at least 84, 85. Maybe we go back down and test this super floor back in here and right around 80. If the DXY can drop back down that area, yeah, I think 100K plus Bitcoin is on the cards. I think more than 2 or 3x for most altcoins is on the cards. So that's exactly what we want to see. We do not want to see this DXY climb back up like it did early March last year, like in this. Now I do think this is coming at some point, but it's slow to act. We have so much time. This is on the monthly chart. Now look at this. Look at the years here. We're back in the early 90s going back to this. So we haven't had a super cross like this with a 21 month crossing the 50 month in 18 years. And we just had one this year, January. Look at this. So this is why I'm super optimistic for crypto as a whole. And I think the DXY macro trend is headed down. Even with this little bit of a rally, look how minute this move is. So even if I mean, look at this rally. Geez, that was we're talking about 3-4 year rally here. Here we're only 3 months so far. So if we can get rejected here, go back down. If you see us break 88, you better have your crypto ticket loaded up because this would be 4th of July right here. This would be amazing. Maybe it happens on 4th of July. That'd be about right timing, right? So we have on the monthly scale, right? So 3 months up, maybe where we have April, May, June, July. We start getting down here. Be fantastic for me. We can maybe we'll just throw a crypto 4th of July party all around. Everyone will be invited. So the chat's still off, folks. I don't even know if you can hear me or see me this whole time. I got nothing. Let me go check my Telegram or Twitter. Someone send a message on Telegram if you can hear me. I got nothing. Anything? All right. Someone said they can hear me. So you can hear, but no chat. Oh, maybe I just can't see your messages. Yeah. So you're telling me you guys can chat, but I can't see it? That sucks. That sucks even more. It says chat unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. Chat disconnected. Nope. So sorry guys, I can't see your messages. We'll try another live stream at some point this week just to make up for this, but still trying to teach you a little bit here. So that's the DXY. That's the macro trend. We got to keep an eye on that. This definitely is going to control crypto, but as of seems like the past few days, maybe we're trying to reverse this. That would be great. This is as high as we go in the DXY. Fantastic. So I don't have any way to be able to see what you guys want to see, so I'll just go down the list here a little bit. We can go look at Ethereum. I'm sure somebody out there wants Ethereum. I know Ethereum's been lacking a little bit lately, but I do believe that we're far from finished with ETH. Just like Link, Ethereum and Link, I feel like are going to have the last laugh here. So if Ethereum goes back down another day or two, we got to hold, the 1670 level around in here. Got to hold our 21-day, and then maybe we can finally make a move here. Let's look at it on the weekly. You can see on the weekly we're still well above it, so we're still quite bullish here. Still almost 50% above our 21 week. A lot of coins are even 100% above that, so we're still fine. We could potentially have plenty of move to go on Ethereum as well as Chainlink, in my opinion. So that's what to look for. That. Let's go down the next line and see what we're looking at. Let's see DOT. Anybody like DOT? I know some people like DOT out there. Again, I apologize. I can't see your chats. I know this is not helping the stream at all. We only have 40 some people here, so obviously we'll have to redo this at some point. Not sure what happened tonight. But DOT is looking quite bullish. Still, look at this pattern playing out. Last time, if you recall, Ethereum, I used to harp on the early days of Ethereum and Link, all had this nice little W pattern before coming back up after this little curl after the W, and then really broke out after it broke this top. So I would look for this. It'd be a nice pattern to repeat in the next week or so. I would look maybe out in this area. That's March 14th, 15th. I'm going to keep an eye on this for DOT. DOT's still above its 21-day even. So don't sleep on DOT. There's a lot of similar patterns like this in past altcoins histories that just exploded after this pattern. Especially being this much above the 21-day. Still quite strong for DOT. What else we got? Cardano. Let's look at ADA. ADA still just kind of on a low simmer right now, but we're still holding nice support around our 21-day, just right around $1.10, even $1. I mean, 98 cents we played with for a while, so even if it comes back down a little bit as a wick, I could see that. You can see we had a wick up to it here, another wick down to it right here, 98 cents. So if it comes back down, if you start seeing a candle close below 98 cents, that would be troubling because it would also signal a break and a close below the 21-day. So watch for that. Now ADA, like I just said, is look, we're over 100% above our 21 week on ADA, so still super strong. You see, we just looked at DOT and it was only 50% above, so look at the move it did. It's just maybe as a cool off. Remember Bitcoin? Bitcoin had some moved almost just like this. So you got to look at similar stuff. So look at the ADA move compared to this move right here. And then look what Bitcoin did again. Look at the similarities. Can you imagine if ADA was just getting started here? I mean, Bitcoin went from this kind of similar move at 32,000 and went all the way to almost 60,000. So not quite double, but almost. So ADA at $2 would be a pretty similar move. Doesn't seem like that. It's that insane, right? $2 just right here. That would mirror something similar to the Bitcoin move right here. So even after that move, what I said, about just shy of 2x, right? 98, 99%. Looks awful similar to me so far for Bitcoin. So something to keep in mind. We can certainly keep an eye on that as well. Let's go down the chart. XLM. I know a lot of people like XLM. Again, I'm just going down the chart because I can't see anyone's chat. Not sure what's going on there. But I appreciate you tuning in anyway. Just above our 50-day on XLM. We still haven't had any candles close below our 50. So still so far so good. We even got, look what we did back in here, right? We broke the 21-day. We hung around this for over a week. Then we tested the 50-day again before moving back up. So this could be just a prolonged period. Once Bitcoin chills out, if you see altcoins moving, I would fully expect XLM to not only get back above the 21-day, but start moving back towards its all-time high, 50, 60 cents, and then higher. Well, it's certainly not as fun with no chat and no way to connect with you guys. I've tried to refresh it. I've tried to change everything. It just says still unable to connect. Try again later. Chat is disconnected. Please wait while we try to reconnect you. Like that's going to ever work. So I'll definitely make this up to you guys at some point. Maybe we'll do like a Sunday night, close of week, close of day, something like that for you. Yeah, this is just not working out so well. Maybe you guys got some good benefits off of what I said so far. Just some nice little updates. We have a Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon if you guys want to follow us on there. Try to get a little bit more in depth. I got a lot more coming on Patreon. I'll try to keep up with you guys on Telegram, our public one and our private one. Send me a message on Twitter on there. I'm going to try to do more of this. I'll do another video tomorrow as well, guys. I'll be back in the morning. But without being able to chat with you guys and knowing what you guys want to see, I mean, I can just touch on the major coins and show you that everything's still going to be okay. I can still hold you like a teddy bear. Everything's fine. You don't have to panic. I know that some of these moves suck. Especially if you're new, you don't know what to think of what's going on. But we're in a bull market. Rest assured, we're in a bull market. Patience is everything. Patience will win in crypto. The less trades you make, the better with less experience, in my opinion, and in my experience. So stay calm. Join us on Telegram, and I'll keep you updated, okay? We're going to do another live stream sometime this week. We'll do more videos all throughout this week, but I've only got 30 people on here, so without being able to chat with you, it's not working out so well. So I don't know if it's on YouTube's end or my end or whatever, but I guess we'll just end it for now. Send me a message send me a message somewhere. I'll try to respond. If you need something emergency charted, I'd be happy to do it. Just let me know what you need. I appreciate you guys. We'll try again real soon. Thanks so much.